Hi guys, this is the first video for the official Spindle unboxing channel. Right here we have a 2-centimeter charger from Apple. Cost $30. We're going to unbox it. I haven't opened it yet. You see? Haven't opened it yet. So I'm going to be unboxing it with you guys.
So you have 2 hands?
Yeah. I think you do it like take off this, right?
Let me see. You got a plastic or something?
Make sure
Well,
they can see.
Yeah, they can see, but I cannot do it from one hand. It's here. That's you open right thing here.
Okay.
Can you do this?
Yeah.
Grab it. Pull it. No. I can't do it with one hand.
Wait, I don't.
Help me.
Ready? Oh, I see it. Hold on. I see it.
Pull it. Yeah, right there. Open. There you go.
Alright. Careful not to break the box. Alright, here we are. As you guys can see, it's haven't touched it. Don't really know much about this because we just got it. It's pretty long for 2 meters. There's also instructions and stuff.
Yours is like 6 feet.
Oh my gosh, that's long. 2 meters is like 6 feet. Seriously, that's long. So we are going to unbox this. No.
Cat wants to help. It's okay.
Get a new star.
No.
He's like, that looks fun. That's a toy for me.
No.
See, there is a master unboxer. He kind of likes to unclaw.
So you guys see we haven't touched it. No. No. So yeah. No, I got it. I have to do it. Tigger, stop.
Yes, he's trying to help.
No, he's not. Oh, wait. Can you please help? Thank you. So as you guys don't give him that.
Play.
Alright. So as you guys can see, this is pretty long.
6 feet.
Yeah, if you guys don't know how long 6 feet is, well, oh my gosh. So 3 feet is 1 meter. Wow.
Approximately.
Can you hold the other end of this, please? So look how long this is. If you guys ever want to know how long 6 feet is, there you go. Alright. So we'll make...
Oh, so it's taller than your dad.
Wait,
Look, see
what?
this? It's tall. 6 feet is taller.
Bigger? No.
Hold it down to the ground. See that?
Almost as tall.
Go with his hands.
Taller. Seriously. So yeah, this is our first unboxing video for the Spindula unboxing channel. Hope you guys enjoy. They can see my face.
Sorry.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video. And in case you guys wondering how much this cost, I don't know if I said this in the beginning of the video. It costs $30.
Too close. Wait.
Costs $30.
$29. Plus tax.
Oh, $29 plus
Plus
tax. Plus $1 tax.
A little more.
But yeah, it costs $30 because of the tax. But normally it would cost $29. There was no such thing. Nobody. Don't bite me.
Hey, you wanna say bye?
Yeah. This is our first video, so yeah, next time we're going to be unboxing other stuff. I'm not really sure. We'll see. And well, goodbyes. Make sure you go to the real estate. So if you're looking for a house, my dad is a host, and he could tell you some great stuff about real estate. And that's our sponsor for this video, The Real Estate Show by Eric Wilner. So make sure you guys drive safe, wash those hands, and make it a great day. Goodbye.